Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 14th question in exercise 6.3. Sides AB and AC and median of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let's draw diagram for this data. So we have to draw two triangles. So let's be the first one, ABC. And then we are marking the median. So this is going to be AD. Now the second triangle is PQR. So this is PQR and I'm marking the median as PM. Now let's list what is given to us. So given is AD is median of triangle ABC and similarly PM is median of triangle PQR, and what is given? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is the same as AD by PM. So this is given to us. What are we supposed to prove? So we are going to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In order to prove that, in this particular case, we are going to do a construction. So let's understand what we are going to construct. Okay, so we are going to extend this triangle ABC into a quadrilateral by extending this BC, B and C to this point. Let me mark this as E and D is extended to join it here. Similarly, I'm going to extend in this particular triangle Q and R such that this PM is also going to extend here. I'm marking this side as L. So let's write what we have done as construction. So extend AD to point E. That's what we are doing here, such that AD is equal to DE. This is what we have done in a specific case of construction. Now let's do the same process here. So extend PM to PL such that PM is equal to ML. So this is the second part. And then we have joined BE, EC, then QL and QR. So this is what we have done so that we have made it into a four-sided figure. Okay. Now let's start with what we are going to prove. See, BD is equal to DC. This was given to us because of the median property. Similarly, AD is equal to DE is what we have done using construction. Okay. So this means ABEC is going to be a quadrilateral. Okay, and the diagonals bisect each other because AB is going to be where diagonals bisect each other. That is how we have constructed. AD is equal to BC and we know this property was already given to us. Therefore, ABCE is actually a parallelogram. Okay, wherein EAB is equal to EC and BE is equal to AC, opposite sides of parallelogram. So I'm marking this for my future reference. Say let's mark this as given number 1. Now, similarly, I can say the same reason. PQLR is another parallelogram because these are also where the diagonals are bisecting because this is given to us. This means PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to LR. I'm going to use this as further reference for writing our proof. Okay. So what is next given to us was the sides that are proportional, right? So let's take that up. So AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM was given to us. So I'm going to write this, and from the 1 and 2 that we have marked here, I'm going to reorganize this. So AB by PQ is equal to, I'm going to replace AC as BE. So BE by QL is equal to AD by PM. I've just replaced the AC with the BE, and similarly the PR with the QL, because we have just used the triangles property. Now in the next step, I can say that AB by PQ is equal to BE divided by QL. I'm going to write this AD as 2 times of AD, and similarly this as 2 times of PM. So because I put as 2 times, actually it is not touching the proportionality, because the 2 and 2 will get vanished. It is still the same property. So I can rewrite this as AB by PQ is equal to BE by QL, which is now, let's replace this 2 times of AD as AE. AE by 2 times of PM is nothing but PL. So this tells you triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL using SS similarity. So we are talking about this left side, this whole triangle is going to be equal to or similar to this left triangle PQL. Now, this similarity gives us an important takeaway, that is BAE, angle BAE will be equal to angle QPL. Okay, so we will mark this for our future reference. So now let's start with the property. Whatever we have done right now, we can repeat the same process for triangle AEC. So I can simply say, similarly, I'm not going to write every step again. We can see that triangle AEC will be similar to triangle PLR. We are talking about the right side of these two bigger quadrilateral. Okay, so this will give us another implication. I'm going to use it here because we're going to cross reference. CAE will be angle to RPL because of this particular similarity that we would have ideally shown. Now let's go into the proof. So here what we are going to do is, I can combine these two and add it. So angle BAE plus angle CAE should be equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL, because we have simply added 3 and 4. The reason is we are adding these two equations. Now what is angle BAE plus angle CAE? We are talking about this angle and this angle. So this is going to be equal to angle BAC. And similarly here it is QPL, and this is going to be RPL. So we are talking about these two angles. So this means it is angle QPR. Okay. Now let's take the two triangles. We can write everything and say it off. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is actually known for us? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This part alone was actually given to us. So we are taking that. And just now we proved this. So if I mark this as angle equation 5, then angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. That's from 5. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR using SAS similarity, and hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 15th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.